Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Good day, everyone. I will be your discussant for today. I am Sheila A. Guevara, and I will be discussing venomous animals. For today's discussion, here are the objectives. Differentiate venomous to poisonous animals. Identify the different venomous animals and its characteristics. And know the effect of these venomous animals to its victims. Let us differentiate first what is poisonous and venomous animals. Poisonous animals are animals that carry and can secrete toxins. However, a human has to ingest, inhale, or touch the animal to be poisoned. If you bite it and you die, it's poisonous. While venomous animals are actively seeks to deliver toxins through a bite, sting, stab, or spit, usually a defense or in the pursuit of prey. If it bites you and you die, it's venomous. An animal is poisonous when its toxins are passively deployed. In contrast, a venomous animal directly injects you with the toxin. Determining just how venomous a creature isn't an exact science, but there is a type of standard, the LD50, or how much venom is needed to kill 50% of a test population of lab mice. LD50 is how much venom an animal inflicts at a time, and how much good old-fashioned damage is done to a victim. Let me discuss to you the 31 venomous animals. To start with, here is the southern short-tailed shrew. Using its grooved incisors, the shrew delivers a killing bite with venom potent enough to kill 200 mice. While that's not enough to kill a human, the pain, swelling, and muscle problems the toxins would cause are not worth annoying a shrew to find out. Next, the second one is Gila monster. It is one of the most venomous lizards to humans. A bite isn't fatal to us, but it can cause severe pain, drop blood pressure, and hemorrhage. Recovery can take up to 5 days. Next is duck-billed platypus. The male version of this wilding Frankenstein of animals has serious venom in the pointy spurs of his hind legs. For humans, the platypus weird cocktail of toxins create excruciating pain that lasts for weeks and is somehow immune to effects of morphine. Number 28. Mexican beaded lizard. It may not have fangs, but this lizard literally chews on its victims until its venomous saliva travels through its grooved teeth and into a wound. In human, a bite causes pain, swelling, sweating, falling blood pressure, and very rarely death by respiratory failure. Number 27. Catfish. The majority of catfish are venomous and inflict incredibly painful wounds via strong, hollow ray fins. The stinging proteins are potent enough to hospitalize an unlucky person, or in the case of the Plotosus lineatus, striped eel catfish, even cause death. Number 26. King brown snake, also known as the mulga. This snake delivers a large amount of venom, 150 milligrams in one bite. but fortunately, its venom isn't quite so potent as other ones. Death is rare, but possible if left untreated. Number 25. Brown recluse. The hemotoxic venom from this critter causes nausea, vomiting, necrosis, muscle and joint pain, the bursting of red blood cells, organ damage, and possibly death in young children with weak immune system. Death is rare but possible if left untreated. Number 24. Blue-spotted stingray. Of all stingrays, the blue-spotted is the most venomous. Death is very rare, but a sting to the abdomen, heart, or other vital organ could be fatal. Number 23. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake. The eastern diamondback is both the largest rattlesnake and most venomous snake in North America, with a super high venom yield from 400 to 1,000 milligrams. It only takes 100 to 150 milligrams for a human lethal dose. Number 22. Lionfish. The lionfish announces its toxicity with its bold warning coloration. The venom delivered through the fin rays can cause a host of problems ranging from pain, vomiting, and fever to convulsions, paralysis, and even death. Number 21. Black widow spider. The female black widow has large venomous glands that deliver super concentrated venom that interferes with the nerve signals that controls muscles. The result is potentially fatal and cause severe pain and elevated blood pressure. Number 20. Stonefish. As ugly as the lionfish is attractive, the stonefish is the more toxic of the two. The 13 spines of the fish box can deliver a powerful neurotoxin that can cause excruciating pain and possibly death within a mere 6 hours if left untreated. Number 19. Russell's viper. The aftermath of a bite from this old-world viper is not pretty. Some of the symptoms are bleeding from the gums and in urine, and pain for up to a month. The bite can also be lethal. Number 18. Brazilian wandering spider. This critter's venom is so potent that it rivals the power of some snake venoms. The neurotoxins can cause intense pain, paralysis, asphyxiation, and ultimately death. Children are in particular susceptible. Number 17. Indian cobra. The venom of mature cobras contains both nerve and heart toxins. The mortality rate for untreated victims is estimated to be 20 to 30%. Number 16. Common krait. The krait is particularly insidious because its bite may not cause any pain or even be noticed if a person is asleep. Its venom is full of powerful neurotoxins. A victim can literally suffocate to death 4 to 8 hours after being bitten. Number 15. Fat-tailed scorpion. The Tunisian variety of this scorpion is responsible for approximately 90% of deaths from scorpion stings in North Africa, causing up to 400 deaths a year. The neurotoxins in the venom can kill a person within 6 hours. Number 14. Black Mamba. What makes these snakes particularly dangerous is that it can deliver a lot of venom at a time. The combination of neurotoxins and cardiotoxins can kill in as soon as 7 hours. Number 13. King Cobra. The king cobra may not have the most potent venom on this list, but it still ranks because the venom's effects are incredibly deadly. First of all, it can spit its toxin, so it doesn't even need to bite you. Also, only 7 milliliters of the venom can kill 20 humans or 1 elephant. Number 12. Deathstalker Scorpion. This scorpion is tiny but mightily deadly. Its stings can impart a lethal venom with a median lethal dose of 0.25 mg per kilogram. Number 11. The saw-scaled viper. Thanks to its venom power, the saw-scaled viper is blamed for more human deaths than any other snake species combined in its region. Number 10. Indian red scorpion. Attack from these arachnids has a fatality rate of up to 40%. Number 9. Funnel web spider. The potent venom of this spider is reputedly twice as deadly as cyanide. The effects on a human include increased blood pressure, arrhythmia, coma, and death. The venom acts swiftly and kills a small child within 15 minutes. Number 8. Boomslang. The boomslang can open its jaws as wide as 170 degrees with biting. Its venom is highly potent and contains a hemotoxin that disrupts a human blood coagulation. The venom is slow-acting, which helps buy time to obtain and anti-venom. Number 7. Dubious sea snake. The dubious has the deadliest venom of all sea snakes and can kill a mouse with one bite. Sea snake venoms are heinous. They cause paralysis, blurry vision, difficulty swallowing or speaking, and in about 3% of victims, death. Number 6. Coastal taipan. This highly toxic snake's venom affects both the nervous system and blood coagulation. If left untreated, mortality is 100%. In case of severe envenomation, death comes swiftly, within a half hour. Number 5. The cone snail. The aquatic snail may move slowly, but that's precisely why their venom is extra potent. They have hollow modified teeth called radulae that are sharp enough to penetrate a wetsuit, and the estimated human lethal dose is incredibly small. It's believed that the venom in one of these mollusks is enough to kill 20 adult humans. Number 4. Irukandji jellyfish. This tiny jellyfish, which may only grow as big as person's fingertip, packs a huge punch. Unfortunate victims contract Irukandji syndrome, excruciating pain that even morphine has little effect on. Even worse, there is no anti-venom for the sting. The toxic can cause fatal brain hemorrhage. Number 3. Blue-ringed octopus. Although it's relatively small, only the size of a golf ball, its venom is debilitating and deadly. It can cause respiratory failure within 10 minutes and death within 30. One bite can kill up to 26 men and there is no antidote. And second to the last is inland taipan snake. The inland taipan is one of the most lethal venoms. One drop can kill up to 100 adult men and it works in as little as 45 minutes. And the last one is box jellyfish. Although the Australian box jellyfish just misses having the most potent venom on this list, it is probably the deadliest. It is large yet almost transparent in the water, and its tentacles can sting you with its millions of nematocysts, injecting a hefty amount of venom while holding its victim in place. The venom's toxins can cause extreme pain, paralysis, delirium, shock, cardiac arrest, and even death within minutes. The jellyfish has enough venom to kill 60 adults. How does these venomous animals cause death to humans? It is simply because the nervous system controls a person's movement. It also sends signals from one part of the body to another. Neurotoxins scramble the system. The area that stung swells up. Victims may get a bad fever, shake wildly, or fall into coma. They may even become paralyzed and die. How do we treat patients bitten by venomous animals? A type of medicine called anti-venom can help victims bounce back from a death stalker sting. So what is anti-venom? An anti-venom is a medicine that protects victims from the effects of venom. It is also used to help victims attacked by venomous animals. But victims need to get treated quickly. Even with the medicine, getting stung is an incredibly painful experience. And for children, the elderly, and people with heart problems, even the anti-venom might not help. Those who survive death stalker sting are lucky. Still, victims never forget getting stung. Some animals have deadlier venom, but few can inflict as much pain as the death stalker. To end this discussion, let me share this quotation written by Kushal Gadke. Even a venomous snake is harmless until you bother him. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something.